Frustrated with the lsapiw32.dll pop-up blocking Localized licensing API? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before diving into the lsapiw32 technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the lsapiw32, the License Service API 32-bit. It manages the unmanaged communication with remote licensing servers for enterprise software. It facilitates the orchestration of network-based activation manifests. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Because lsapiw32.dll is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the lsapiw32 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of lsapiw32.dll carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes lsapiw32 library guidance. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve lsapiw32 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.